Hi guys, welcome to our review of 6.1. I'm just going to take a minute and we're going to go over a few of the practice questions from 6.1. I think I'm mostly going to focus on the conversion ones. So I'm going to finish up doing those last two problems. If at any point you want to check your practices, just let me know. Send me a picture. I can look over real quick and be like, yeah, that looks great. No, you might need to work on that. I'll be happy to do that for you, or I'll send something like that. So send it to me so I can see it and then I can give you feedback. Perfectly acceptable to do that. Just email me or do it through Remind. All right, so let's look at the two we didn't do yesterday. Let's look at 6 and 8. All right, so for practice 6, let's go over what our conversion factors are. Remember, 1 atmosphere equals 760 mmHg equals 101.325 kilopascals. All right, so in question number 6, we're going from 3 atmospheres to mmHg. So using our conversions here, we put what we're given right here. And remember, we want to put where we're going right here. And down here, we're going to put what's up here. So then we go look up here, what's our conversion? 1 atmosphere to 760. So what we're going to do here, we're going to multiply across the top. And when you take 3 times 760, you get 2,280. So hopefully you did that and got that one right. And then number 8 had 202.6 kilopascals, and I wanted you to turn that into mmHg. Okay, so make our thing here, put what we're given up here. Okay, and we know we're going to put kilopascals down here, and we're going to put what we want up here on the top. And so we're going to look up here. Here is our conversion right here. We'll put 760 over 101.325. All right, so remember, we're going to multiply 202.6 times 760, and then we're going to divide by 101.325. And when you do that, you should get 1,519.6. So hopefully you did those right. The other ones were pretty content straight ones, just reviewing that kinetic is energy in motion versus potential that is stored energy. All right, so what is your assignment today? Well, today we're going to be doing a PhET lab. So what you'll need to do is you're going to go download and save the virtual lab documents over on Canvas. Click on it, download it, and you're going to go to the website. The link is on the document and on Canvas. It'll open up for you, and just read the lab. The lab has pictures already for you there that it'll show you, and it has directions, very step-by-step for you. Let's see real quick. I'm going to stop sharing. And I'm going to go to that site real quick for you so that you can see. I'll go over to Canvas so you can see what's going on. Thanks for your patience here for a moment while I get this set up. Hope you're all having a good time. Hopefully your first week of going through this is going really, really well. Okay, now let me share screen again. All right, so over here is our assignment. And so you click on this and it's going to open it up for you. And if you click here, that'll be the document. And right here, if you click here, it'll take us to the website. And click on laws. I believe. Yeah. And then just follow what the directions say on there. So just read through the lab. And it's going to have you look at pressures here, temperatures up here. And you change temperature, heat it up versus making it cold. It's going to talk about big particles, smaller particles, things like that. And then there's your pressure. So you're going to play like with volume here, and you can, it's going to ask you to pump. So lift this up and push it down. You're going to put particles in there. You'll see temperatures up here, and then it's going to ask you to speed it up, heat it up. And you see what happens. So raise your temperature up and watch what happens versus if you cool it down, things like that. Pauses over here, resets over here. So just very specific. If you have any questions, make sure you ask on it. But just a note for you guys, Maroon Day, this lab is due for you on April 15th by 11 p.m. There's a place on Canvas for you to submit that. And Gold Day, you're due April 16th. Real quick, I can get back over to Canvas. You'll see right here is where you can submit that. So here's where the document is. It explains step by step exactly what you need to do on it. Link to the website. The link is also in the document if you want to control click. I highly recommend that you use Google Chrome to do this, and here's where you submit it. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me and ask me through email or Remind. All right, guys, talk to you later.